Hey guys, it's Ernest here, and I got a new unboxing this day, and we are doing Nero unboxing. And yeah, so this is an action figure, $5, and we are in the Philippines actually. Sorry, and this is it. So you can move your.
It's nice, right? Do you want it?
Yeah, it's kind of cool. And my father actually gave this to me because he just go to my Lola's house, and yeah, he just go there. So this is the face, and this is the head, and yeah, it can move like forth and this, but it's hard. Guys, actually there's a jacket, but I don't know where is that actually. And okay, so this is the head. You can do it down. That you can turn the arm that, and you can turn that up there too. And so you're gonna just have that in your arm. So you can rotate the arm and just put that up like that. So scary. And on it's cannot bend because it will break if you bend it, and you can bend it here. You cannot bend it there because it's gonna be broke, and you can have your finger really turned. And oops, oh no. Okay, so but oh dear. Okay, yeah, next video. And so it's like in the other one. So this is actually a short video, guys, sorry. And you can hit the leg like that, and turn the leg like that, and that, and walk like that. And in the other side, you can still do it. And some back there. Sorry, sir. Okay, guys, so, hey guys, it's me, Ernest, and this is my friend PJ.
Remember me?
And yeah, so this is it, and we can go.
So now, guys,
So
see that?
guys, let's see that. So
See that?
goodbye and subscribe us. Okay? Okay, guys. Sorry about that, but don't be strict with us, okay? Or I will kill you.
Nah, just joking. Don't believe in that. He's joking.
So yeah.
No. Turn off.
And to the next video, we had a musically video, so please watch that, guys, and subscribe us. Goodbye.
Subscribe.